Primetime news this evening. Bushfire in rural St. Andrew ravages homes and crops. Keith Clark trial pushed back to April 29. And why animal advocates want the authorities to put an end to cockfighting.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. For those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com, a special welcome. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Well, Janella, this evening we're talking about inflation, and annual inflation up to March this year is now in line with the central bank's target. I'll have those details and more in the business day.
All right, Andrea, thank you. And from Andrea, we go to Jordan Fort, who's here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, more weigh-ins on what's happening with Jamaica not hosting any of the matches in the T20 World Cup. Hard-hitting batsman Chris Gayle, the latest to add his voice to the discussion. And we'll also talk about the lack of sponsorship support from corporate companies for international level meets in Jamaica. I'll have more of that in Primetime Sports Monday.
Thank you so much, Jordan. I was happy about the rain, although it was just a little bit of rain. But Romain, what's happening with the weather?
Thanks, Janella. We still have some rain in the forecast over the next 3 days or so, but things begin to dry out sometime after Thursday.
All right, thanks, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the package. But before the break, here is our feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking what has been your experience taking weight loss drugs?
Now you can share your comments with us. Share them online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.